Hey guys, so really quick video for you about the weekend typing professional. It's a scam and it has nothing to do with that you're gonna actually make money. I'm not even going to I want to apply for the job, because just when you see this kind of site that you don't have about us, you don't have the person there talking about what it's actually about, that is really not really original, but it's generating just make quick money. Just don't even use it. This is just my recommendation. And yeah, so what can happen is that you could easily get you're gonna add a card there, and then they're going to charge you, for example, and you won't be able to get the money back or things like that. So don't even use it. This is completely off. And yeah, you many times is that you just have to pay for it first or something to get the job, and then they're just going to scam you. Look here, I know why it seems so real. I paid $17. Now I'm worried that they could access my card. So don't even use it, please. Don't jump on this. It's pure scam. So yes, that's pretty much it. Don't even use it.